Wednesday afternoons free for sport and other activities because mental and physical health to me are a massive priority. Help with transport to all support Sheffield sites at uni and update facilities to bolster inclusivity. Being on sports committee, I've gained the experience to be the best wellbeing and sports officer at our uni. This year our student voice on the mental health and awareness panel talk, this furthered my passion for mental wellbeing, especially in sport. You may have seen my post to sports committee. I run their publicity, and after 5 years of student sport, I understand the importance of wellbeing and support. Now you've heard about me, Charlotte McGinley, please vote for me as your next wellbeing and sports officer at Sheffield Uni.